Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we will show you what to do if your iPhone screen is not rotating automatically to portrait or landscape mode. The first thing you need to ensure is that the screen rotation lock isn't enabled. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center and ensure the rotation lock icon is not highlighted. If it is, tap it to disable the rotation lock. Now, check if your iPhone auto rotates. If the issue remains, then follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to tap on Display and Brightness. Here, tap on Display Zoom option. Then, make sure the display type is set to default, not larger text. After doing this, power off your iPhone and then turn it back on. Once you do this, your iPhone screen should auto-rotate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks.